Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see one error related to withholding tax, and the error is one items have not been activated due to inconsistent withholding tax information. This error mainly comes when we do changes in customer master data for withholding taxes, and if the error is coming for few document, then we can do manually. Go to transaction code FB02, enter their document number, fiscal year, company code, then press enter, and on vendor line item click on withholding tax icon, press enter. After the date comes, press enter again. Delete any withholding tax key which is appearing in the document or assign but not in the vendor master data, then press save. This will solve for few line items manually, but the error is come in bulk document, then we have to find out some other solution. So solution is here. Go to transaction code SE38, then after press enter program here RF WT0010, then execute here. Go to SE38 program here, then after click on execute. Here select the supplier. Here I am solving this error for the vendor document. Then enter vendor code in supplier, company code, document number, fiscal year, posting date. First run this transaction into the test mode, then after remove the test mode and tick this delete withholding tax no longer relevant. Remove the test mode after executing in test mode and click on execute. This will solve your error. See here in Word document. After entering all the details, click on execute. This type of screen will come. Then after try the transaction, vendor transaction, this error, one items have not been activated, will not come. First try this error and solution in your testing client, then after go for your production client. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.